Sabi sa Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 11, "For I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you, plans not to harm you, plans to give you hope and good future." Sabi noon, "For I know the plans I have for you." Ang Diyos ang nagsabi. Sabi niya, I know the plans. Ibig sabihin pala, may plano na. I know the plans I have. Meron na siyang plano. Bago pa tayo sinilang, may plano na siya. Parang itong chicken, bago pa yan na pinalaki nung nagbenta niyan, may plano na siya. Plano niyang pagkitaan yan. 'Di ba? Bago pa yan nilikha ni Lord, may plano na yan. Ang purpose talaga niyang chicken na yan, maging ulam natin. Tama ba? Alam mo ba kapatid, yung buhay mo, may plano na ang Diyos dyan. Kapag pala hindi natin na-serve yung plano ng Diyos sa buhay natin, magpapaikot-ikot lang tayo, mapapagod lang tayo. Kasi bakit? May plano na ang Diyos. Ang assignment natin, alamin natin, ano ba ang plano ng Diyos? Sabi niya, I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you. Meron siyang planong pasaganayin ng buhay natin. The next question, ano yung plano? Paano yung plano? Sinabi din sa aklat ng Deuteronomy na binigyan niya tayo ng ability to produce wealth. That ability ay nasa atin na. It's within us. Kailangan lang natin malaman ano yung ability na yon. Pagkatapos, hanapan natin ng problema na yung ability natin ang solusyon. And I believe through that, in the principle of the Lord, money will come our way because that ability in us will produce or solve other people's problem, and people will pay us because we are solving their problem. Kaya pala tayo dapat solution provider. There's inside us, there's something within us that can be a solution to someone's problem, and with that, God will bless us, God will use us, we will be a blessing to that person, and because that person is blessed, because of who we are and what we have, the gift that the Lord has placed in us, dun papasok ang pagpapala. At ang susunod na gagawin natin, mastery. Tayo dapat ang master of our craft. Halimbawa ay ang pagluluto. Kapag ikaw ang may pinakamasarap na luto ng pastil, people will buy it from you. Your pastil will be their favorite, and that money will come to you through that. So, di ba? Yun lang po ang ating ma-share ngayon. Pagpalain kayo. Tandaan lagi, Jesus loves you.